Hey, welcome back to Chef Singh Cooking. Today we're gonna make a Thanksgiving champagne fizz. And right here, we got Grand Marnier, we got Prosecco, we got 2 flutes, we got our measuring cup, we got some cranberry juice, we got some rosemary, and some fresh cranberry. So here we go. It's right here. We're gonna grab the Grand Marnier, and basically, it's 1 tablespoon orange liqueur. Then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cranberry juice. Yep. Then we're gonna grab fresh cranberries. Then we're gonna get some Prosecco. And that's why I got 2 bottles of this. It's a wonderful holiday drink. That Grand Marnier and the champagne, it comes together well. Then fresh rosemary. And there you have it, a Thanksgiving champagne fizz. Happy holidays. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time. Chef Singh Cooking.